Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to get this look, you guys need to stay tuned and make sure you hit the notification bell, and also make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Every time a video comes, just give it a thumbs up, okay? So let's get into it. Hey you guys, it's your girl Tiffany. Yes, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all can get notified every time I drop a video. We're gonna do this look. I already got one eye done. It's some blues and silver. It's the NYX pigment in, let me find it so I can let y'all know, Constellation, and then the other is in Diamond, and then my e.l.f. black liner. So that's all we got on here. Oh, and a glitter liner. So let's get this going. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get my Makeup Revolution in the shade C9. Alright, let's go ahead and blend this out. Blend, blend, blend. Try not to make my eyes crease up so much. Dip into my pigment, my Constellation pigment by NYX, and I'm going to just start filling up that area where I want it. It's going to get a little messy because this pigment is loose. Alright, so I'm going to blend this out. Blend that blue. Palette, 35B palette. I'm going to go ahead and get into the black. I'm going to just deepen that blue with the black. Get this brush and I'm just going to blend it out. This is a different brush. I'm going to take that black and hit my B right up in here. I'm going to take the same brush, get that darker color. Guys, so now I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution in C1 and I'm going to cut my crease with this C1. And I like to put it there and then just look up like that and look up there. Then I'll stamp it where I want it to be. Container in, what did I do with it? Is that it? Nope. Okay, I'm gonna take my jumbo milk pencil that I have depotted in here, and I'm just going to place this right over this, just a little bit. You really want, I won't put too much on it. I'm just putting a little bit, just something for my white eyeshadow to stick to. White eyeshadow, if I can find out what I did with it, because I'm always losing stuff. And whipped cream. And I'm going to dig in, and I'm going to put that right up on here where I put the white jumbo pencil. And I'm going to just tap it in like that. Like that. Okay. Got somewhere to be, you feel me? People to see, things to do. Not worried about you. I'm so silly. On, we're going to go in with that color Diamond by NYX. We're going to shine bright like a diamond. Oh, that color is so pretty. I mean, I love the heck out of this pigment. It's just so freaking pretty. What y'all think? It's so pretty. You don't have to use nothing but a dash of it. That's what just, it just gets me. It just gets me. Just to bring out that glitter. I don't know what that little guinea pig or gerbil was doing. You got the teacher's. Alright. And we're going to drag that there. Oh, we girl. Girl. He gonna love you tonight, baby. Just gotta add just a little bit going this way. Tripping on you. Man. I know YouTube is popping tonight with Damo dropping that dang mixtape. Well, this tape about Chrissy. Baby, everybody talking. I don't even do reaction videos, and I started to do one. I was like, whoa. Damo came for the kill. Know what I'm saying? Okay, so now we have our foundation on and whatever. And I'm going to take this Frostbite. It's a eyeshadow from NYX. It's called Frostbite. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it right up here on my brow bone. Right up here. Let me do anything else. Alright. Yes, I'm going to take my lip gloss, this mint oil lip gloss, and I'm going to mix it with this diamond. I want to see how that looks. Hopefully that come out pretty. Probably will. So I put some of the pigment in a jar, and I'm just going to squeeze out some of this lip gloss, and I'm just going to mix it with that. I'm just being extra now. Being real extra, trying to make them really stand out. Because, baby, they are already high. I want to chisel just a little bit more. I don't know why I want to chisel a little more. I probably don't need to, but I'm dang sure doing it. Today, I don't know why I'm going to OD on the contour. I just want to bring my face up some more. I just feel like, you know. Alright, so now that I did that, I'm going to take a highlighter, which I don't even know what highlighter I want to use, to be honest with you. I put a little bit too much. I was carrying on, wasn't I? Carrying on. What are you doing? Carrying on. I'm gonna put the lip liner on, and this is in the color Nutmeg. This look. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Push through. Okay. That was a good combo. I'm gonna have to bottle that. Alright, y'all. So let me spray it down one more time. I'll be having to make sure we good. Okay, so this is the look or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all is hitting that notification bell so y'all can get these notifications when these videos are getting dropped. Okay?